This video explains the usage methods of the 1.28-inch knob download project and the accessory package. We received the product, which is appearance, and the accessory package, no touch. There is reserved interface and pin definitions. Connect power. The voltage range is as follows. Turn on the screen, and what you'll see is the factory installed program we provided. This project can be downloaded from the resource section. For subsequent use, you can simply copy the knob folder of this project. Note: declare the knob file at the corresponding position. Supports rotation, short press, long press. For more information, you can refer to the instruction manual section. 1.28-inch knobs chip belong to TR2 series. Only supports SD card upgrade functionality. Take the update UART demo as example. There are two methods: card download and card run. Open Giraffe IDE. If any modification to the project, select TR2 Toro's cross-compilation. After successful cross-compilation, select Export. Card download. Export the compiled file of the project to the SD card. Insert the SD card into the slot. Pay attention to the direction of the card. Powering again. When the download progress reaches 100%, remove the SD card and power on again. The update is now complete. If the process is normal but the download shows abnormalities, you can try formatting the SD card or using another one. Card run. Export the compiled files of the project to the SD card. Powering again, we can see engineering operation. Remove SD card, power on again, display the previously downloaded project. Differences between two methods. Card download has a file size limit, while the card run has no limit. After the card download successful, the SD card can be removed. The SD card doesn't need to be kept in the slot all the time. However, for the card run, the SD card needs to remain in the slot at all times. It is more convenient to use the card run mode during the debugging process. TTL debugging. Note: change the number of software configuration corresponding to the product. Check on the specification document. Connect the serial port to the corresponding debugging board. The connection relationship is as follows. The other end of the debugging board connected to computer, open serial port debugging software. Click on the Send Instruction button, and you will be able to see the corresponding image switching. The default factory program will send instructions when rotated.